Welcome back to my channel. I promised your update video on the farm, the backyard gardening. So today I'm just going to harvest a few of the crops and then show you as I go along. Remember to like, share and subscribe this video and come on and you can watch the previous videos them as well. So let's go do it. You can probably start.
Yep.
But I just tie them up because through them have fruits from them here. Want pick them when them turn, but right now them not suffering it. Them green. Them can't pick it, but and everybody pick the tomato them. So you can zoom in on the tomato them if you want. Them pretty. Alright. Go up that side here and pick two big sweet pepper. Mostly sweet pepper there and a random cabbage. So, like look on this big one.
Wow.
Just from your backyard. Can you believe it? Alright. So this is one, and guys, these are not fertilized. I didn't fertilize them, and if you want you can let them go longer on the back on the stem. So these are two. Put them in a bag and you can pick as you want, like to keep them fresh, but if you don't, stay Amila. Ready? So you pick from the tomato bed already. Some of them never tie up so strong, but once them turn, you can pick them off. Like this one, these are plummy tomatoes. They are not salads. So you can just pick them, turn it, and it fall off just like that. You put them up, and then they're ripe.
Mommy.
Let me pick some more from over here.
Mommy, come up. Hi, Papa.
So these are two so far, and I picked 6 off of the trees
Mommy.
already. You can pause and go back. Now we are doing carrot them and probably one of the cabbage them. You know, take them one egg. So your space doesn't have to be big. Right. So these pak chows are the one that I transplanted. If you remember in the previous video, you can go and watch that. I'll insert a clip if anything. This one, these were actually lettuce were here, but now I put pak chows. Pak chows as well, we as Jamaicans say. I have a cabbage here. The cabbage is not fully firm, so I'm going to leave that one. You look over here, we have more here. Some of them, this is a bush, so it's a whitehead, that's a candashi. So you can have 4 or 6 here, so. And then we have some over the tomatoes and in the sweet peppers. But right now we're just harvesting a little carrot here, so, and see what we get. So you can, if you're not sure if them ready, you can put it together and you brush through the area a little, just like this, and you see how big or small the carrot is. Right now you can see that this is a baby one. It never got 3 carrots over here and 3. These are just sample carrots to see how best they grow. So you can just look between to see how big the carrot is and pull up the ones that you want. So this big one now, you can just pull it up just like that and get a small carrot, but it's very fat.
Mommy, let me get that.
You want to pull up this one? It don't look that big. Let's go. Alright, let's do it together, right? So you see? 1, 2, 3, up. Good job, Amelia. I don't know why these are, I guess the stones, that's why they're not going down, but normally once you have less stones in your soil, they should go down without having to bulge like this. So fat. Alright, let's pull up this next one. This one is small as well, or you can let them grow more. So that's just it, guys, mostly baby carrot. Alright, so this is just a handful of carrots, small baby carrots. Alright, so we'll go through and you can deal with as you go along. So this broccoli is just starting up. So if you can look in between, you see it's just coming. Right there, it's small. So that will be a big broccoli, and this is the next one, but it's not yet flowering as yet. So cabbage now, you just check them. This is a firm one. This is firm also.
Mommy.
I'm going to cut one of these. Hold this, Amila. Let me do it now.
I had
I cut that one here. So it can form more. It depends how big you want your cabbage or how small. But I'm just going to use one. And let me do a smaller one like it's just for vegetable. Just feel them. Alright, so as you go along with your backyard garden, you can do weeds by hand. You don't have to spray because they're so close and the variety in the bed. So you can just uproot them. I have some callaloo here as well. Alright, so I'm going to pick this, cut this cabbage. And just like that, you have a freshly homegrown cabbage ready to eat. You can make either as a vegetable or on a own. So yeah, once again, thanks guys, that's just it. Just collecting few stuff from the garden. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up and also comment in the comment section. And it's always nice to see you guys. So thanks again. Bye. Thanks for watching. They're not big. The ginger them still small.
You pick them. Pick them, Mommy. You pick them?
You see them small? They smell strong though. Like organic ginger no grow. But they may not fertilize.
And that's here.
I try to dig out piece more.
They go. Dig up. Are you find some?
Yeah, sure, fine.
Just like that?
You see, if you be careful enough, sometimes you go cut them off. You see how near them, they look as well.
Ginger.
You can smell them. Maybe just have to insert pictures of them here when we see how big them be. Alright.
To the Wallace.
Yes.
Yeah.
How the people can smell the ginger through the phone?